checked in with Elle, and Elle was amazing. We're staying on the 11th floor, so up we go.
That's nice stuff, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, indoor pool.
Oh, hi. Come on in. Welcome to our little loft apartment at the Hyatt Place in downtown Austin. I'll show you around. We got it with the intention of using this as our remote office this week, so we wanted to make sure there was a little bit of space to do some work. I think we'll be able to make do with that.
This will be a nice maybe workstation for Andrew. And then they have a real workstation over here. This can be my Zoom corner. And a coffee maker, most important. But they also have free breakfast at this place, so we'll be doing that, especially on the mornings when we have to work.
Not to work too much while we're here, we also have to have some fun. So we've got our nice little entertainment system complete with HDMI USB cables so that we can plug in. Under here we've got a nice little refrigerator, which I will definitely be making use of, since we'll definitely be getting some Terry Blacks, and that always comes with leftovers. We've got plenty of drawer space, and
wow, it's a really big dresser. I like to unpack, especially since we're gonna be here for a week, but I think Andrew's probably gonna live out of his suitcase, so he can use that thing.
then of course we've got a nice big king bed with a beautiful view. This is the view. We've got a little bit of greenery, some buildings. All right, and then one more thing, I'll show you the bathroom. Come on this way. So no hotel room is complete without a nice luxurious large bathroom, which we definitely got here. We have a nice big glass walk-in shower.
And a really nice big sink for all of our stuff. And as Andrew promised me, they have plenty of shampoo so that we didn't need to bring our own.
So that's our room. This is where we'll be staying for the next week here in Austin and getting lots of fun work done while we go out and play a little bit in the evenings. Last time we were in Austin, we ate a place called Terry Black's, and you might remember it because I kind of drooled all over myself in the video that we made because it was that good. I am not going home without a big suitcase full of Terry Black's sauce. That is for certain.
3 ounces. I hope they sell it in 3-ounce bottles.
All right, we'll see you at the restaurant.
We are at Barton Creek. We're gonna walk to one of 2 waterfalls, I think.
We are at either Twin Falls or Sculpture Falls. We're not really sure which, but there seems to be something missing. I can't really quite place my finger on it. Oh yes. Have you ever seen a waterfall without water? Like, that's what this is. This is pretty cool. beautiful trail. I love it. It's super easy. It's pretty flat. I mean, a little bit of roots and rocks, but nothing too challenging.
So we think we missed our turn off the hike back to the parking lot, but at the same time, like, I haven't seen anywhere where we could actually get off this trail.
To complicate it, I was like, I don't recognize anything. And then I pointed down at a little hair tie. I was like, oh yeah, I remember that. But do I?
We said that we missed the turn, and some girl went, oh wow, which made me think that we're really far from where we need to be. We found it! We couldn't remember what our rental car looked like, but I think it's this one. Success, it's the Florida car.
Let's go to Waco.
Barton Creek Greenbelt Trail. So there'll be 2 waterfalls, hopefully roaring with water when we get there. One cool fact about this trail is it is sponsored by the Hill Country Nudists. What you want to know about Texas? I'm becoming an Texpert.
I'm just boat floating in the creek with no water.
Complete with a swivel chair. That doesn't swivel because that's not a swivel chair.